Good morning, class. So, children, in the last video we have completed till here, that is page number 16. We have learnt about how to adjust the sound. Adjusting sound we have learnt. Remember? Okay. Now, come to page number 17. On page number 17, you can see the test yourself. Now, see here. The operating system, you have to put a tick on a correct statement and a cross on the wrong one. The operating system controls all the activities of a computer. Yes, it is correct. Screensaver does not start by itself. Screensaver never starts by itself. You have to set it, otherwise it will not start. So it is true. Then we can create our own desktop background. Yes, we can create our own desktop background. Date and time is available on the right side of the taskbar. It is also true. The taskbar is the long horizontal bar at the top of the desktop. It is false. Sorry, children. This is false. Make it false because it is at the bottom of the thing. What is that? It is at the bottom. You can see this here in the taskbar that is given on page number this one. The taskbar is the long horizontal bar at the bottom of the desktop. So that all the four are correct, but the fifth one is incorrect. So put a cross. Now we will start the last topic, using shortcut menu. It is also possible to set application or program as a shortcut menu in the start menu. To start application on the start menu, follow these steps. Now what you can do, for what you are doing, what you have to go to the start button, then you open that all programs. From that you have to search it, and then you come up to the particular program from where you have to work. But you can create your own shortcuts also. Now some steps are given how to open the shortcuts. Click on the start button, then all apps from the taskbar. What you will do, you will click on start and then all apps from the taskbar. Scroll down. What you have to do is you will just take it down, scroll it like this. With the help of mouse you will scroll down your program that you want to appear on the start menu. Whatever you want there on the start menu, you will scroll it down from there. Right click on it, and from the pop-up menu that appears, click on pin to start. Now see it here. What you have to do it, right click on the program. What you will do, here are the program list. You will right click, pin to start, and then what you will do, right click. When you will do the right click, pin to start will come, and then it will go to the start menu. This is given in figure 2.15, that is the start menu. Turn the page. Your application gets connected to the shortcut menu. Now what happened? That application has gone to the shortcut menu, from which now onwards you can click on it to start the application. Now what has been done? See this figure 2.16. In this you have seen that this has come up in the shortcut tool. So directly you can open it from here. So these are the shortcut tools which you want from your own thing, that you want it in the shortcut. Directly it can go into your shortcut thing. Now this is the recap zone. Microsoft Windows is a GUI, graphical user interface, based on operating system. Windows 95 was the first version and Windows 10 is the latest version. The desktop contain icons and the taskbar. Icons already you know, small graphics with names. Icons and small pictures that represent files, folders, programs and other items. The start button is located at the bottom of the left corner of the taskbar. The background of the desktop is called wallpaper. The image that appears on screen when the computer is idle for a specified time is called screensaver. You can change the date and time, setting and the volume control from the taskbar. You can pin an application on the start menu to start it easily from the menu. So these were the recap points which are main points given here. Now we can start up with the exercise. The first one is choose the correct answer. Which is the latest version of Microsoft Windows? That is, the answer is Windows 10. Put a tick over here. Then come to the next one. What does the operating system make the computer? Workable, user-friendly, both first and second. Now see here, both. Because operating system, if it is not there in the computer, the computer will not be able to work and it will not be user-friendly. So the answer is both 1 and 2. What is the screen that appears called when the computer is ideal? That is screensaver. When we leave our computer for some time and suddenly a screen comes up, that is called as the screensaver. What are the small icons, small pictures on the screen that are linked with program called icons? These are the small icons called as icons. What does U stands for? GUI. That is U. What is the full form? I have told you. Graphical User Interface. So answer is user. Put a tick on user. Now come up to the this one. True, false. Windows is a GUI based operating system software. It is true. Put a tick on that. Start button is located at the bottom right corner of the taskbar. Wrong. Just now in the recap we have learned that the start button is located at the bottom left corner. It is given here right corner. So it is false. Icons are small graphics with names on the desktop. It is true because they are small and given with the names. The background of the desktop is called screensaver. No. False. It is called as a wallpaper. Then taskbar is an icon on the desktop. Taskbar is an icon on the desktop. It is false. It is a horizontal line, longer horizontal line which is given in the bottom. So these are the true false given. I have explained you also. In the next video we will be doing the who am I and the question and answers we will be doing. So till then, children, please do the exercise part and revise the whole chapter because we have completed the second chapter also. Till then, thank you.